Hello everybody. Today on my bench I have a hummingbird feeder I need to repair. What happened to this is the loop where it hangs, that broke. And it dropped to the ground. Fortunately it didn't break any worse than that. It hangs on this hook here, but it'll fall down if I leave it like that, so I'm thinking about a way to repair this. I think I've come up with a solution. What I'm going to do is drill a hole here and a hole opposite, and I think I'm going to use this wire here to make a new hook, a new loop for the hook. I had just purchased this hummingbird feeder about this time last year. I had a lot of hummingbirds fighting over the one feeder, so I thought I'd get another one, and unfortunately it didn't last very long. This is going to be this one's going to be easy to drill, but the other side's going to be a challenge. Okay, that one's done. And now this one, I'm just going to have to go in from an odd angle. Not as bad as I thought. So the hole is drilled on each side. Now I'll take my wire. I was about to throw it in the trash, and I got to thinking I can use that to fix the hummingbird feeder. So let's see if my hole will work. And it just does. Feeding it through that side. And now I got to get it through this other side. And that one might have to be enlarged just a bit. And I will try once again. If this doesn't work, I got plan L. It's no big deal. But hopefully this will work. Have to help it along just a little bit. And I'll try to go in from this way. Now I might be getting somewhere. Try once again to feed this through. See, that side goes easily. Now I cut an angle on that one. We'll see if I can get this stuck through now. There we go. I think we got it started. It's just trial and error with some of this kind of stuff. A lot of error. But sometimes I can get something to work. Now I will pull this through like so. There's that. Now I'm going to tie this in a knot. And then I will double it. It's not the most beautiful repair, but I believe it's going to get the job done. And here's my S hook. I'm going to go through this top one like that. And I have prepared some nectar because, of course, when it fell down, the nectar spilled. But there's the completed repair of the Hummingbird feeder. Let's go hang it up. Let's go fill it up, hang it up, and see how it looks. Here's my Hummingbird nectar. And with my 2 feeders, it's enough to fill them twice. And there we are. Get the S hook. And I will go hang that up and we'll go look at it. Here it is, all back in service. It's the one on the left. On the right is my older Hummingbird feeder, which has never broke or given any trouble. Now I will take that down and clean it out and refill it with fresh nectar, and the hummingbirds should be able to enjoy a good snack this afternoon. They're all full. Once again, this has been repairing my Hummingbird feeder. Thank you for watching.